Both functional and attractive, Westin's HDX banded bumper is backed by the company's 4 decades of automotive manufacturing experience. It provides effective protection for your truck's grille and headlight areas with 2-inch tubing and a honeycomb plate. The bumper is constructed of one-piece fully welded steel that stands up to impact, road debris, and wildlife. And its gloss black finish offers extra long-lasting resistance against scratches and scuffs. There are 2 9,500-pound rated shackle mounts and a 2-inch hitch receiver for snow plows and attachments. This bumper is compatible with both factory fog lights and cube light mounts. Select Super Duty applications have a removable grille piece for the front parking camera. Installation of the HDX banded bumper is easy. It's entirely bolt-on and requires no drilling. This product comes with Westin's 3-year limited warranty.
The Super Winch Winch to Go is everything you need when you're on the move. It comes with pulleys, straps, 3 shackles, a 1/4-inch Clevis pinned latched hook, even a pair of heavy-duty leather palmed gloves. And it's a universal fit for cars, snowmobiles, ATVs, or whatever else you can think of. Built tough with a 1/4 horsepower motor and a Haas Fairlead in the base plate, the Winch to Go has a rated line pull of 4,000 pounds. Use it with either steel cable or synthetic rope. The pulley block and 8-foot straps can easily haul up to 8,000 pounds. And the winch has a sealed handheld rocker switch and can be controlled remotely from up to 12 feet away. You can have it all with the Super Winch Winch to Go from Westin Automotive. When you choose Westin, you roll with style.